attend to your children. Oh, may meeting tayo araw-araw kasi attend, no? Ito yung mga full rolls, no? So, meron dito no driving. Meron no driving. Pakita mo yung no driving. So, bawal mag-drive sa swimming pool, guys, no? No driving. Oh, no driving, guys, no? Ito po, no dog food. No dog food, guys. Kita nyo, no dog food. Bawal yung dog food. Lalo na yung mukhang aso yung nasa pool, no? So, no dog food. No feeding. So, bawal magpa-feeding sa swimming pool. Yan, no feeding. No feeding, guys. No, lapit mo yung no feeding. No feeding. Bawal magpapakain sa swimming pool. Okay? So, ito naman, guys, no shooting. So, bawal mag-shoot sa swimming pool. Bawal mag-shoot ng camera kasi no shooting, oh. Kita nyo, no shooting. No shooting, guys, ha. Ito din, no cutting. So, bawal mag-cut. No, bawal mag-cut sa swimming pool. Kaya no cutting man, oh, no cutting. Kita nyo man, oh, na no cutting, no. Ito rin, no rat playing. So, dapat walang daga sa swimming pool kasi no rat playing. Kita nyo, guys, pakita nyo no rat playing, oh. Ilapit mo yung no rat playing. Oh, no rat playing, dapat walang daga sa swimming pool na naglalaro. Oh, walang daga, guys, ha, walang daga. Oh. Ito naman, no pets allowed. Hindi allowed dito. No pets, so bawal yung aso, guys, okay? So, parang lahat tama yung sinasabi ko, guys, no? Tama ba, guys? Kaya nang bahala umusga. So, no garage. No garage. So, dapat walang garage, no? Yung walang garahe. Oh, no garage in swimming pool. So, dapat walang garahe sa swimming pool, guys. Ito naman, no stocking. So, bawal mag-stock, guys. Kumbaga, mag-stock ba? Yung mag-stock swimming pool, kung maganda ba o pangit ba yung swimming pool. So, bawal yan, guys, to. Bawal yan. Ito naman, patay. Bawal pala yung sinusot natin tsinelas, guys. Kasi no Spartan in swimming pool. Dapat daw yung Islander. So, bawal swimming pool yung Spartan, guys, no? Kita nyo? Spartan yan, guys. Oh, ginanon yung Spartan ba na bawal talaga. Bawal Spartan, guys. Dapat yung mga Islander, Sandogo, yung pwede dun sa swimming pool, ha? Dapat yun lang, guys, ha? Tapos, only bar allowed. So, dapat, guys, magdadala kayo ng bar dito sa swimming pool kasi only bar allowed. So, pag pumunta kayo sa swimming pool, dapat magdala kayo ng bar. Tapos, attend to your children. Oh, may meeting tayo araw-araw kasi attend, no? May meeting tayo araw-araw sa swimming pool, guys, no? Dapat mag-attend ng meeting, no? So, yun lang, guys. Hopefully na naintindihan nyo lahat ng rules sa swimming pool. Yun talaga yung rules sa swimming pool, guys, eh. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung kaganapan dito. So, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta, guys, no? So, hanggang dito lang yung video.